going to make a very quick short of this because it had me puzzled for a while, and I've looked on YouTube and I couldn't find any video that explained it, so I'm just going to do it myself quickly just to show you. I've got a Bandit 1250 here. It's an 09 plate. It's coil pack, so the ignition coils are in the plug caps, and I've been trying to undo take the plugs out. I'm going to change the plugs, and I could not figure out how to get the coil packs out when the frame is in the way. And I just discovered there is actually a weird shape hole in the bottom of the frame there, and what you do is the coil pack is, when it's in position, the coil pack is twisted back like that, so that you can see the electrical wires, where the electrical wires go in there. So that one goes into there. So you basically pop that plug off, and then what you've got to do is you've got to turn the coil pack, lift it up. I lifted it up using a trim remover, but you can, as long as you sort of put something in under there that will lever it up using Archimedes' principle, you can then twist it round like that with your finger until you've got the electrical bit lined up with that slot in there, and then if you just push it very slightly to one side, it's not quite round enough yet, you push it very slightly to one side, you can pull it up into that gap in the frame. Right, so you do actually have to turn that more than I realised at first. If you look in through here, you can actually see the cutaway. So what I've done is I've turned the cap of it, the electrical connection, I've literally turned that through 180 degrees, so it's facing forwards. And now I can actually get the coil pack out. There we go, there's the coil pack removed. Now I should be able to get to the spark plug.